Okay, so it's another Popin cooking video, as you can tell from my entrance over here. I want you guys to vote on the next one that I do. So here we go. Quick disclaimer. Sorry if you hear bird noises in the background. I just like to make bird noises. So our options for Popin cookins for next time are the ice cream Popin cookin, bento Popin cookin, waffle Popin cookin, the kawaii gummy land Popin cookin, or the donut Popin cookin. Today I'm doing the ramen Popin cookin, and I think this is going to be really bad. I feel like I should have more in like this intro part because it normally is pretty long for my intro, but clearly I'm very excited to do this. Oh, actually first I'm gonna get some water. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Whoa, my thumb looks gigantic with like this thing. Oh, I messed it up this time. Why is it ripping so badly? Very powdery this time. That's all the things. And we got a fork this time and a pick. Not sure what these are for yet. I'm nervous. This seems difficult. And I think I gotta cut these this time. Not sure how to cut it, but I'm gonna try. This is very thick plastic and hard to cut again. I forgot how hard it was. Come on, you can do it. They give these to children. This is very hard to cut. It's in 3 parts now. I'm nervous to start this time. How would I measure this time? With this cup? I don't know what to do now. Maybe it would help to read the directions. Mango pudding. I'm making the mango pudding first. It's gonna be kind of hard with my gigantic measuring cup, but we got group effort again, and that always helps. Is that halfway? Maybe a little less. Imagine it being mango pudding flavor and tasting like banana or something. And it's like an orangish color. Should I mix it with a toothpick? And it'll become firm in 10 minutes, apparently. It's stuck to the toothpick now. I didn't think for that far ahead. Okay, back to pouring. Which packet? Oh, the blue packet. This boiled egg is the tiniest thing ever. Like, why am I getting this much dough for that big of topping? It's like a whitish powder this time. Salty-ish. I spilled it on the table trying to show you guys. Okay, so I got this triangle, and then I'm gonna like, oh, that is not working out how I thought it would. We might just have to go without it. Maybe. My finger works way better. And then I'll use this toothpick again to mix it. Get off of the toothpick, jeez, get off. This stuff is really sticky. It smells like soap. It literally smells like soap. Hopefully the soap tastes good. Oh, this is so frustrating. Okay, I shoved it in, and I think this is what I'm supposed to do, and just leave it there like this and let it harden for a while or something. I don't know. Everything's so sticky. Gosh, there's still powder at the bottom. Maybe that's why it was so sticky. Trying to be like a blender or something. It's supposed to come off very easily, but they clearly didn't know what they were dealing with. Wait, do I use the toothpick to like get it off? I'm trying to put this at trying to put it at an upward angle or something. I guess I can't. This looks kind of terrible. I'm trying to, yeah. I tried to get some of the parts off with a toothpick, but that's about the best I can do. Here it is. There's a hole in the middle. Like, can you see it, the dip in it? Yeah, this is supposed to be the egg, and this is supposed to be the fish cake thing. I have a plate that's a reasonable size this time. So this pudding smells like mango. Yep. Oh, I think you're supposed to mix stuff with the fork instead of the toothpick. I'll start mixing with the fork now. Now you're supposed to like roll it up into a ball. 2 balls. You told me to split it into 4, but like, do you see how small these are? I guess splitting it into 4 is fine. I'm filling one side, like both sides of this thing. I don't know what to think anymore. Okay, so I fill these with this. This is what they look like. And then I'm supposed to like take it and then do that. And then got a little dumpling. And then I make another one. Here's the second one. Now we're making some freaking spring rolls. Okay, you flatten it out. There's no way it's going to be smooth on the edges. And a bit more. And then here it is. It looks more like a burrito than a spring roll. Got a lot more sprinkles, so we can try those by themselves as well. Okay, we make the ramen now. This is the noodle powder and this is the broth powder. We got this. Oh gosh, it's piddling everywhere. This looks fine. I feel like I should probably cut this off, but like that's kind of hard now with the water in it. Oh, this is the star. It said the star tray. Oh, I'll just pour it in here instead. Wait, oh, there's two. I gotta pour it in both. Oh gosh. There's so much water, oh my gosh. Oh, you're supposed to use this to put a hole inside of this. So I'm gonna try it. It actually worked. How do I get it out? There we go. It's like a tiny bit yellowish. And I'm supposed to transfer it. Oh no, I should have read the directions before doing this. Oh! Whoa, this smells like Coke bottle gummy. It smells like the Coke bottle gummies. The soup powder, brownish. And then I squeeze this into here. Oh gosh, this does not look good. And then that's the ramen. I feel like this one went really fast. I gotta remove the pudding. It's supposed to come out like this. Oh no, did I mess it up? I think I messed up the pudding. Oh no. I just gotta run along the side with the toothpick. It doesn't look that bad. I think this one is the best looking one, like, out of all of them that I've done. And I feel like this one went a lot quicker than the other one. Are you ready for the ramen Popin cookin? Once I find the fork. Are you ready for the ramen Popin cookin? I don't think you are. Yep, that's it. So we got our ramen. Oh, I'm gonna put the egg on it. Pudding, sprinkles, the spring rolls, dumplings, and then I left that out so I can try it by itself. And I should have poured out a bit of the noodles on the side, but whatever. That's the ramen. I think I just fixed the problem with the stand being in the way. Just had to flip the phone the other way. I think I'm gonna try this. This is supposed to be like the fish cake, but it's made out of the same stuff as like this. This really does taste like soap, like peach soap. It smells like it tastes. And that is soap. Actually, I'm gonna try the sprinkles first. I'm pretty sure they'll just taste like sprinkles, but... What? These like dissolve in your mouth. They taste like nerds. They're basically just like miniature nerds that like dissolve in an instant in your mouth. That is so weird. Those actually taste a lot better than I thought they would. Okay, now this. It's a lot more fruity this time because of the nerd flavor. I think it's like pink nerds. This basically is just overrun by that flavor. You can't taste the soap anymore. Gonna try a noodle. This tastes like Coke. Well, the noodles actually taste like nothing, but I think the broth that it's in is Coke flavored. I'm gonna try the egg, if I can get the egg. It's soaked in the flavoring. very much Coke. Very much just Coke flavored. Oh, I just realized I have something in my hair. Sorry that I was bugging you the whole video. Why did they pick Coke? This wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I'm gonna try and see if I could get like a noodle taste out. Yeah, this tastes like Coke. So basically the soda from the first time I tried this, yeah. Now it's dessert time. So I'm gonna try the pudding. It's so sticky. I feel like this will taste like nothing. That's my assumption. Yeah, pretty much nothing, but it does have a slight mango flavor. What flavor? Yeah, mango flavor. This one actually exceeded my initial thoughts, but I was wrong. This one's way better than the last. Yeah. This exceeded everything I thought it would do. I'm surprised. So if you like this video, like it, I guess, and make sure to vote on which Popin cookin I try next. Thanks for watching. I'm not sure how to end these videos. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you later.